and welcome back to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff. I have my helper Zoe with me again. We're going to make wacky cake. Why is it called wacky cake? Do you know?
Because it's a cake.
But why is it wacky?
Because it's easy to make.
Well, that's one reason. But another reason it's wacky is because you don't use any eggs. I guess way back a long time ago, before any of us were born, definitely before you were born, there was a shortage on eggs, and so people still wanted cake, and so they invented this cake. So we're going to get started with what? We're going to dump it right in here.
Can I do it?
Oh wait, I got to turn the oven on too. Go ahead and do it. What's in there? What are you putting in there?
Sugar.
Nope, it's flour. It's all-purpose flour. 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour. Okay, good job. Okay, and now we're doing 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Okay, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Okay, wait. Okay, a teaspoon of soda, baking soda. Okay, gotta do it without dropping it though. And a teaspoon of salt. That's all that's going to go in there now, and then you're going to stir it up. Go ahead and stir it up. But keep it in the bowl, okay? In the pan. You do it right in the pan too. You don't have to mix it in a bowl. You do it right in the pan you're going to bake. Oh, no. See, you're doing it too fast, so you splattered it. You want to try and do it slowly and gently so that you don't get it all over the place, because you want as much in there as you can, because that's what's in there you get to eat. All this is going to be wiped off into the sink. So okay, you got to try and get this here. Let me try too. Okay, you got to try and see how it's all that's missing. You got to get it all combined. Everything has to be.
I could do that with you.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, I'll hold it.
So what I do.
But do it gently so that you don't.
I scoop it all up and then do this.
Okay, but you just need to stir it, not scoop it up. You're just supposed to stir it. I don't know how. Now see, you have to be careful, because all that gets out, that means we don't get to eat it. That's all. Okay, that's not stirring. That's not stirring. I don't know what you call that. You gotta hold it with one hand. And do it. No, remember I said you got to do it gently, because if you do it like that, it's going to splatter all over the place, honey. You got to hold it with this hand. Can you hold it with that hand? No. Hold the pan. Hold the pan so that the pan doesn't move, and then stir it. And you have to stir it gently. If you hold it differently, hold it like this. Can you do it like that? No. It was a lot easier last time. Now do it gently. Well, not that gently. Okay, I think we got it anyway. Okay, we've got to make a hole here, a hole here, and a hole here. Yeah, okay. Okay, now Zoe's going to make the holes. We're going to pour the vinegar into one, the vanilla, no, we just need 3 holes, honey. The vinegar is going to go into one. Here, you pour the vinegar into one hole. No, in one hole, honey. There you go. Okay, now the vanilla goes into another hole. Good job. Okay, and that actually, I forgot to say that's also vanilla, but I also put a teaspoon of that goes in the other hole. Okay, and there's a teaspoon of coffee granules in there. Okay, and now the water goes over everything. You just pour the whole thing, but make sure you get all the water in there, okay? That's 1 cup of water.
Oh, if you will.
Good job. Okay. Now, just stir this. I'm going to let you stir it, but you got to be gentle with it. I don't want it all over the counter. All of it you get over the counter is stuff we can't eat. Okay? Okay. Let's don't get our hair in it, okay?
Smells yummy.
Okay. See, you can't. The thing is that now we've actually started the science of it. We've put
it smells like chocolate already.
Well, it has chocolate in it, so that makes sense. We put the vinegar in with the soda, and so now it's going to start reacting. So we can't actually take our time with that. So we don't have time for a 4-year-old to mix it. So, but it does need to all be mixed in. And then, so see, now you don't want to see any of the flour or any of the sugar or any of the crumbs. Okay? Does it look all mixed up to you?
Yes.
Okay, there we go. I think we got it. And see what happens, and so why you don't need eggs, the vinegar and the baking soda are going to react, and they're going to cause the leavening, and they're going to cause the cake to rise. And then we didn't put any eggs. So if you have people in your family who don't eat eggs for whatever reason, maybe they're allergic to eggs. I actually used to work with a lady. Her mom was allergic to eggs, and she couldn't eat them.
Egg cake?
No, I said we're making a no egg cake, silly. There's no eggs in it.
Yeah, there's no eggs.
That's why it's called wacky cake. Okay, it's ready to go in the oven. It's going to go into 350 for 20 to 25 minutes, I think. I'll let you know.
Bye. Can I lift the spoon? It looks good. Everyone loves something. I love Grandma and me. Emma, sweet.
Okay, now I cut this into 9 pieces, so three across and then 3 down. Okay. And then, okay. Ready to try the first piece of wacky cake?
Yes. I hope it feels yum yum yum. Like delicious.
Okay.
I don't like salt on it.
It's not salt. Why would I put salt on cake?
What is that then?
It's powdered sugar.
I do not eat that like that. I do not like it.
Taste it and tell me you don't like it.
Hmm.
Taste it and see.
I don't like it.
Okay, bye. I'll eat it.
Actually, I do like it.
No, too late. Just kidding. Here. Oh, that's good.
Yes, so good.
Just flour, sugar, cocoa, oil, some salt, some vinegar, some vanilla. Oh my goodness, that was a big bite. The good?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Comment.
And subscribe. Oh yeah, and
This is
comment.
what we do. If you like this video, comment down below if you like this video.
There you go. Right on, girl.
Yeah, that's how we say it.
But you got to be on it. You're not even on it. You got to be able to see you, or they can't see you.
Hi.
Silly.
Meep. I'm Zoe's little big sister. Zoe's little, but she's on a step stool. And this is how the cake turned out.
It's the wacky cake. You know why it's called wacky cake?
No.
Because it's made with no eggs, no butter, no milk.
This is made with no eggs, no
No.
butter, no milk.
No milk, no eggs, no butter.
Boom. Mind blown.
You got something to say?
Hi. This is our grandma's cooking channel.
Yes.
Give it a thumbs up. Comment. Subscribe.
1, subscribe. 3,
To this
subscribe.
video that we made.
Comment
right?
down below if you like this video. Comment down below if you love this cake.
Do.
You should
If you
really
don't have any eggs but you want cake,
Yes. Yes,
Boom.
no eggs, no
Boom.
butter, no milk.
It's true.
Close up.
So this
Can't
is
see it.
closed up.
There.
Mm.
I don't know about you, but I like cake. And I like cake that is easy to make. I like cake that doesn't have eggs in it sometimes. I like cakes that have egg in it too, I ain't gonna lie. Bye, thanks for watching.
But, hi guys. Comment down below if you like this video and this cake. Because this is Grandma, Zoe, Emma over there, me here.
I'm Emma.
How'd you show up?
Out of nowhere. Goodbye.
Get out of here.